Here is a little video to show what I've been working on in 2023. The three pre-war coaches are two number 607 passenger cars and the number 608 observation car. I replaced the light fixture and light bulb and rollers on all three and cleaned them up a little bit. They are being pulled by a 1960s Lionel locomotive and a pre-war tender. On the inside track we have a Marx Train. The locomotive is the 999. The only restoration I did was to replace the pacemaker boxcar. The original was in bad shape. The engine, the B&O gondola, and the caboose ran fine. Now we're going to switch from passenger service to freight. The three freight cars are the Baby Ruth boxcar, a Shell oil tanker, and a caboose. The boxcar was the only one needing work. I cleaned up the bottom frame and wheels and left the top intact. The tanker and the caboose I bought in good shape.